Now, before we cut across to our reporters, let's quickly show you what really changes from today on ground. Lockdown only in containment zones. Now, that's a given across of the country. Lockdown will remain only in containment zones. Non-containment zones, we're looking at ease in business across the country. Unrestricted movement of persons and goods. Now, there's nobody that's going to stop you. There's going to be unrestricted movement across. But of course, the night curfew still remains post 9 p.m. till 5 a.m. But nonetheless, people can move freely for business. Now, we're looking at no restrictions for movement of persons and goods. There will be no restrictions, and no e-pass will be required for any movement. Remember, no restrictions, no e-passes, no IDs to be produced. People will move with ease. But like I just said, restrictions at night. The night curfew will remain. Night curfew between 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. only. That will remain. People who have no business to be outside post 9 p.m. unless and until it is daily essential, or if it is an emergency situation where they can move around post 9 p.m. But if not, it's a complete curfew after 9 p.m. and until 5 a.m. These are the restrictions. Let's quickly take a look at the national capital. We're looking at Delhi being the third worst affected state from COVID-19. But unlock phase 1. The guidelines have already paved way for reopening of much of the activities across the national capital. Traffic movement in Delhi was allowed at Delhi-Gurgaon border. However, Delhi-Noida border remained sealed and only people with passes were allowed. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is in fact all set to address a press conference at 12 p.m. today, and he might just give out some details with regards to lifting of curbs. Remember, Delhi is already up and functioning. We're looking at Delhi across of non-containment zones. Business back in action as normal. On Sunday, in fact, the national capital witnessed 1,295 fresh COVID cases, and that was the highest ever recorded single-day spike. 13 people have also lost their lives in the last 24 hours. However, 416 people have been discharged so far after receiving treatment. Meanwhile, the Delhi government has sought an immediate relief of rupees 5,000 crores as relief package from the centre to meet their expenses as revenues from the state coffers have dried up.
मैंने उनसे रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि लॉकडाउन की वजह से जो अभी आर्थिक परेशानी दिल्ली सरकार के रेवेन्यूज पे आई है, उसको मीट करने के लिए, ताकि दिल्ली सरकार अपने कर्मचारियों को, अपने टीचर्स को, अपने डॉक्टर्स को, अपने इंजीनियर्स को, अपने बाकी कर्मचारियों को, सिविल डिफेंस के लोगों को, जो लोग भी इस वक्त कोरोना संकट पर काम कर रहे हैं, उन सबको तनख्वाह दे सके। इसके लिए तुरंत 5,000 करोड़ रुपए की आवश्यकता है दिल्ली सरकार को, और मैंने केंद्रीय वित्त मंत्री जी को चिट्ठी लिख के उनसे ये मांग की है।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.